I knew the purple fake, but shit, I still ate it because I'm a grandma. Been down since 2019, ain't over. Every day get paid, no this money ain't on. Day to day, tryna make a way, get them gone. Beat not like the beatbox, chop alone. Posting up on spot, they tryna keep me out my zone. Way that I've been feeling, I can't even leave them alone. Get them all tired, gotta show them we official, not a small guy. Head first, one die, then we all body. One thing on the show, a nigga put me in the game, I'm on let's go. I been running off your pain, think I want some more. I know I got a lot of game, I ain't letting go. Been going for 15 and ain't told. My brother been going since 2019 and ain't fold, nigga. Every day new paper, no this money ain't old. Hey man, say man, you already know the fuck it is, dog. We back in the motherfucking lab, back getting that action, you know what I'm saying? I literally just got off work type shit, like got off at 11, had to do something, you know what I'm saying? Pick my brother up type shit like that, make a play. 12 o'clock, we in the stew, we bust in, you know what I'm saying, we locked in. But this just something slight, you know what I'm saying? And this the type of shit I just want to, you know what I'm saying, I just want to start. I want to be more transparent with this shit, start showing people the grind of this shit, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, we ain't even did shit yet type shit. We ain't even did shit yet type shit. And just get in that mode, you feel me? Let's go ahead and do it, you know what I'm saying? What this shit, episode motherfucking 5, 6 type shit by the time this come out, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? Yeah. One thing about it, one thing for sure. A nigga put me in the game, I'm on the stove. I been running off these pain, think I want some more. I know I got a lot of gain, I ain't letting go. I ain't letting up, raise the numbers up. If I ain't get a triple double, I ain't done enough. Till I call my bluff, I been saving up. Waiting on a moment for a bitch to say it's up. Every day I thank my God, cause I'm one-on-one. I don't really know too many like me who can get it done.
So do you write your lyrics or do you like freestyle to a beat first? What's your lyrical process?
So it's like, boom. Once I find a beat, like I go through a lot of beats. I go through probably like 20 beats, 25 beats before I find one that I even like type shit. And I just go through the bitch, and boom. When I find that bitch, like when I find it for real, it's game time, boom, I instantly, boom, I just start writing that bitch. It's damn like I'm freestyling, but I'm writing that bitch type shit. Write that bitch down. Cause when I get it.
Do you freestyle to the beat prior or do you just start writing off the hip?
Right when I hear that bitch, I'm writing. Like on YouTube, I'll write in the comments so I can remember it type shit. I'll write it in their comments, then I go back, copy that bit after I screen record it, boom, boom, shit like that. So I don't forget to like, cause you know what I'm saying, you'll first come up with some shit and it's like, And if you don't write that shit or something, boom, that bitch gone. You done forgot how you done, you know what I'm saying? So I could type that bitch in the comments. You go back, plenty beats, I'm in the comments on them bitches. Yeah, I done started off the type shit. But then boom, I like to write it cause then when I get in the stew, I like to, boom, we can execute. I can get in there bitch and we can, I can bust this bitch out. You know what I'm saying? Type shit, because you're trying to maximize on all time. You know what I'm saying? I'm wasting a little bit of time right now, but you know what I'm saying? This shit, you know what I'm saying? It means some shit. One thing about it, one thing for sure. Nigga put me in the game, I'm on the score. I been running off this pain, think I want some more. No, I got a lot of game, I ain't letting go. I ain't letting up, raise the numbers up. If I don't get a triple double, I ain't done enough. Tell them call my bluff, I been saving up. Waiting on the moment for a bitch to say it's up. Watch out, it's only about that. Hey man, free my nigga Bristol P, man. Watch a bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? Yeah. One thing about it, one thing for sure. A nigga put me in a game, I'm at the score. I been running off this pain, think I want some more. I know I got a lot of gain, I ain't letting go. Nah, I ain't letting up. Raise the numbers up. Hey, punch me in after. I know I got a lot of gain. Matter of fact, keep the chicken talk. Like keep the little shit at the beginning and then punch me in. Yeah, one thing about it, one thing for sure. A nigga put me in a game, I'm at the score. I been running off this pain, think I want some more. I know I got a lot of gain, I ain't letting go. I ain't letting up, raise the numbers up. If I don't get a triple double, I ain't done enough. Tell them call my bluff, I been saving up. Waiting on a moment for a bitch to say it's up. Hey now, Key, where I stop at, then punch me in. Every day I thank my God cause I'm one-on-one. I don't really know too many who could get it done, who could get it sold. I've been on the road, talking like using. Bring it back. Every day I thank my God. Every day I thank my God cause I'm one-on-one. I don't really know too many. Bring it back. I don't know too many like me who could get it done. Every day I thank my God cause I'm one. Bring it back. Every day I thank my God cause I'm one-on-one. Every day I thank my God cause I'm one-on-one. I don't really know too many like me who could get it done, who could get it sold. I've been on the road. fold. Talking what you used to do, that shit been getting old. Tryna let that money stack into this shit mold. Tryna let that money stack until it can't fold. Brothers can't bend, brothers can't bake. Bring it back. Tryna let that money stack into this shit mold. Tryna let that money stack until it can't fold. Brothers can't bend, brothers can't break. Now you started catching buzz, I can feel the hate. Let me redo that. Tryna let that money stack into this shit mold. Tryna let that money stack until it can't fold. Brothers can't bend, brothers can't break. Now you started catching buzz and I can feel the hate. Gotta put your eyes on and you can see the fake. Free my brother and can't fake. Catching buzz and I can feel. Gotta put your eyes on and you can see the fake. Free my brother and free thug, but I don't fuck with snakes. Screaming for the Jace, I'ma do the race. Tryna take them all the way, I'm on a paper chase. When a nigga gotta go, you gotta make a way. Tryna hit the big leagues, you gotta pay to play. I been running up my chew, I'm talking every day. Ain't talking, hey. Punch me in after, I've been running up my chew, I'm talking every day. I've been running up my chew, I'm talking every day. Yeah. I've been running up my talking every day. Any type of way, it's a dirty game. One thing about it, one thing for sure. Nigga put me in a game, I'm at the score. I've been running off this pain, think I want some more. I know I got it like the game, I ain't letting go. I ain't letting up, raising numbers up. If I don't get a triple double, I ain't done enough. Tell them call my bluff, I've been saving up. Waiting on a moment for a bitch to say it's up. Watch out. One thing about it, one thing for sure. I'm at the school. Nigga put me in the game, damn, I'ma at the school. I think I need some more. I ain't letting go now. I ain't done enough now. Yeah, for a bitch to stay. I want a one who could get it done, get it sold on the road. That shit been getting old until it can't. What? Goddamn, what? Yeah, and I can feel the hate, yeah, and you can see the fake, yeah. Hey, punch me in after. I said, gotta put your eyes on and you can see the fake. Start me from right there. Right before that. Punch me right there. Yeah, you make a way. You better what? Talking every day, yo. Damn, gone. What? Yeah, I'ma let's go. I think I want some more. I ain't letting go, nah. Yeah, I ain't done enough, no, bitch. Rah. When we slide. Oh, I been running off this pain, think I want some more. I know I got it like the game, I ain't letting go. I ain't letting up, raise the numbers up. I don't get a triple double, I ain't done enough. Tell them call my bluff, I been saving up. Waiting on a moment for a bitch to say it's up. One thing about it. One thing, bet.
How do you name your songs?
Shit, it's really just like having that bitch come off the tongue type shit. And I don't want it to be too obvious sometimes type shit. But it's like type shit. I just wanted to make sense type shit. But it's like I want it to make sense if you listen to it. I don't want you to just look at it and be like, oh, that might be that one song about something. You know what I'm saying? I want you to look at it and you know what I'm saying, you're gonna think about some other shit. You feel me? So boom. Along with that, man, when we in this bitch, bro, we in this bitch learning, you know what I'm saying? My nigga Zach teach me how to cook up. He teach me how to cook up from the crib and shit, you know what I'm saying? I done got the studio at the crib. So I'm cooking up at the crib, boom. Fuck nigga on YouTube, delete the beat. But he thought, cause I already done had to record that bitch at the crib, so we locked in. I'm about to bust that bitch out, you feel me? True road runner, I been getting up in that mode. Pop's been gone for 15 and ain't told, but it's been gone since 2019 and ain't fold. Every day new pay, bitch, this money ain't old. No cap, this shit about to get wicked. One thing on the show, a nigga put me in the game, let's go. I been running off your pain, think I want some more. I know I got it like your game, I ain't letting go. I ain't letting up, raising numbers up. I ain't letting the devil, I ain't done enough. Till we call my bluff, I been saving up. Waiting on a moment for a bitch to say it's up. Shit fire. That's sexy. No, I don't know if it, I was saying check if it did send. I think it did. I was trying to load up fucking type shit. So boom, with this next song, you know what I'm saying, like I had just said, you know what I'm saying, when I had tried to record this shit last time, we had locked in and I was a motion man then, but when we went on YouTube, bro, I had deleted the beat and shit. Like damn, fuck, boom. But I remember I had already recorded at the crib. So boom, I hadn't got the laptop, brought it in, boom. Cause you know what I'm saying, my nigga Zach the Wizard, you know what I'm saying, he been putting me on with this shit, he been teaching me, you know what I'm saying, teaching me the sauce. We got proteges in here, you know what I'm saying, this Master Splinter right here, you feel me? Yes sir. You know what I'm saying, they got Ninja Turtle running around type shit, all type of crazy shit, you feel me? So boom.
Producer take down the beat.
You know,
sometimes you got finesse a little bit, you know, so you got to stir the pot a little, so you know, we gonna bring it back, you know, we'll take it back to life, ain't nothing.
You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That's that up north swag he put on that bitch, you know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas don't know my niggas.
They don't know rolled up.
From the, you know what I'm saying? From the
yes,
shit, you know what I'm saying? I ain't talking about
murder myth.
You know what I'm saying? Murder myth.
How it be?
We ain't talking about Gucci, you know what I'm saying? Shit I get rid of, you know what I'm saying? Real road running, you know what I'm saying? I be getting up in that mode, nigga. Pop's been going for 15 and ain't told. My brother been going since 2019 and ain't fold, nigga. Every day new paper, no, this money ain't old. Type shit. Shit about to get. Hold on, put the camera on that nigga right there. Fuck nigga, yeah.
Playing peekaboo.
Big baby. Shit's going on, yeah. And we got my nigga Eddie in here, you know.
Yes,
What's up? We out here.
Newest at
working hard. The newest
next
one
up,
right here.
baby.
We got next generation right here, bro.
Come on, yes, sir.
We get it.
Police think it's water, but it that motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? This that different type of drink, you know what I'm saying? I don't be fucking with the Patron, Caso, and shit like that. It's this shit called La Familia Flores type shit. It's tequila, bitch tastes like butterscotch type shit. Nigga put me on that bitch. When I went there, they gave me a big ass bottle for the free ski, you know what I'm saying? Face good. Nigga, my face card swipe, pussy. Bitch move. I ain't even no drinker, that motherfucker. And then you chase that bitch with the water. I knew the purple fake, but shit, I still ate it cause I'm a gremlin. Churro run, I've been geeked up in that. Nigga, churro run, I've been geeked up in that. Churro run, I've been geeked up in that mode. Pop's been gone for 15 and ain't told. I've been gone since 2019 and ain't fold. Every day new pay. All that money. Yeah, churro runner, I've been geeked up in that mode. Pop's been gone for 15 and ain't told. Brother been down since 2019 and ain't fold. Every day new pay. No, this money ain't old. Churro runner, I've been geeked up in that mode. Pop's been gone for 15 and ain't told. Brother been down since 15. Punch me in after I did the first one. Churro runner, I've been geeked up in that mode. Pop's been gone for 15 and ain't told. Brother been down since 2019 and ain't fold. Every day new pay, no this money ain't old. Yeah, Colgate my motherfucking smile mouth gold. Colgate my motherfucking smile mouth gold. Colgate my motherfucking smile mouth gold. Get a pack sold in the kitchen breaking bowls. Push me in right there and I'ma come in right up under it. Like a box of Cheerios, I'm trying to eat off every old. This the type of hustle I'ma be on till I'm old. I've been thinking, should I go and grab another phone? Turn it up a notch, beat up the block and get it gone. Send me off a piece, I'm middleman to cover bones. I can't leave the house without the charger to my phone. Hey, let me redo that. I said, it sounded like I said cold. I gotta say, Colgate, Colgate my motherfucking smile mouth gold. Let me do it, yeah. Colgate my motherfucking smile mouth gold. Get a pack sold in the kitchen, bring it back, my voice crack. Get a pack sold. Colgate my motherfucking smile mouth gold. Get a pack sold in the kitchen breaking bowls. Like a box of Cheerios, I'm trying to eat off every old. This the type of hustle I'ma be on till I'm old. I've been thinking, should I go and grab another phone? Turn it up a notch, beat up the block and get it on. Send me off a piece, I'm middleman to cover bones. I can't leave the house without the charger to my phone. Cause money man on the line, I might have Mr. Cuppa Jones. Slow feet don't eat. Trying to bring it. I'm the tight say breaking it on. Hey, punch me in where I said on right before I said send me off a piece. My voice cracked, right? Send me off a piece, yeah. That part right there. Cut that off. That, yeah. Send me off a piece. I'm middleman to cover bones. I can't leave the house without the charger to my phone. Let me redo that. That's the shit that got my brother killed. Why you asking what I'm on? I can even describe way I've been feeling since he gone. I can even wait. I wanna fuck another nigga bitch inside a bench truck. Yeah, there go. Huh? Nah, keep going. My bad. Delete that. That's the shit that got my brother killed. Why you asking what I'm on? I can even describe way I've been feeling since he gone. I can't wait till different when I get up. Yeah, bring it back. That's the shit that got my brother killed. Why you asking what I'm on? I can't even describe way I've been feeling since he gone. I can't wait till they say I act different when I get up. I wanna fuck another nigga bitch inside a bench truck. Yo, churro runner, I been geeked up in that mode. Pop's been gone for 15 and ain't told. Brother been down since 2019 and ain't every day new pay. No, they okay. Yo, churro runner, I been geeked up in that. Damn, hold on. Get them all tied. Gotta show them we official, not the small guys. Head first, one die, then we all die. Fucking trying to run it down and make them all rise. Nigga, small fries. Play what I said. Head first, one dive, then we all die. Push me in after one dive, then we all die. You can't really hear what I said, folk been trying to run them down and make them all rise. Nigga, small fries. Folk been trying to run them down and make them all rise. Nigga, small fries. Hey, no, this money ain't old. True road run. I been geeked up in that mode. Pops been gone for 15 and ain't told. Brother been down since 2019 and eightfold. Every day new pay. No, this money ain't old. Gone. What I'm on? What? I been feeling since he gone. What? When I get up, stutter and stutter. Yeah. I been geeked up in that. What? It ain't. No. This money ain't old. No. Yeah. Beat pop. Raw. Tryna knock me out my zone. Nah. Yeah, not the small guys, no. Raw, 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 raw. He make them all right. Yeah. Damn. Alright, go. Type shit. Quick little bus router. That shit wasn't quick. That shit took me like 12 minutes, 13 minutes, too long. Kitchen bring your bowl like a box of Cheerios. I'm trying to eat all your. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to let him cook that shit up real quick. You feel me? That shit, boom, that shit hit your chest like, yeah. Type shit, but you know what I'm saying? Boom, we just out here vibing and shit. Motherfucking brother right here, you know what I'm saying? This big baby goat, you feel me? Yeah, him, that's our child, him, all that, yeah. I ain't even gotta say too much, you already know what's going on. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We in there, they in there cooking up some shit right now. Boom, he gonna cook that up. I'm gonna get back in there, lock that in. I just had to come refresh my mind and shit like that, rejuvenate myself, you feel me? Boom. You know what I'm saying? One in, you know what I'm saying? We come throw some light shit on, my brother. He come throw, you know what I'm saying? We throwing light shit on. We coming here because we coming in there to lock in, you feel me? We ain't even tripping on all the other shit, you know what I'm saying? We coming in this bitch lock in, bro. We got a lot of stuff on the way. I'm coming real consistent with these vlogs, you know what I'm saying? I want to show y'all this shit. I got a lot to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm mad at myself. I just started doing this shit, you feel me, type shit. But you know what I'm saying? It's game time, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? Free my brother Bitsy P. You know what I'm saying? We doing this shit, motion mile. I know brakes, tight shit. Taxi on the lens. About to get in here, man. We cooking up greatness, man. My nigga Zach. We really locking in like this type shit. Crazy, cause it's like a nigga, he about to slide, you know what I'm saying? He probably don't even want me to say this shit type shit. My nigga about to slide. He about to go. I'm about to go back to Michigan and shit on the nigga. So you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be in Michigan with the shit, yeah. In a murder meeting, you heard what my nigga said, yeah. About to have to slide out there with the shit. My nigga gonna be gone. I ain't gonna lie. Every song that I done dropped probably since like 2019. All my tapes, all that shit. Been recording this nigga. Zach, motherfucking wizard. My nigga, man, no cap. And he put me onto that nigga, cause I ain't even believe in the nigga at first, no cap. I'm like, man, this shit sound too good. This shit sound too good to be true. There ain't no damn way this nigga cooking shit up like this. And yeah, alright. Alright, yeah. And niggas don't even know my nigga be rapping this shit too. When that feature drop, niggas don't act crazy, man. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, this shit about to get real, you know what I'm saying? We just trying to show this shit, man. Put this shit in people's face, let niggas know. Like I said, man, none of this shit fabricated, man. Niggas really doing this shit, you know what I'm saying? Every day. Just got off work, get to work, you know what I'm saying? That's my side job, you know what I'm saying? This the main shit. This the 9 to 5. That's the 5 to 9. Fuck you talking about, but you see what time we in here, you hear me? Ugh.
Taxi!